Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our video, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today I want to use the opportunity to talk about one of our brother. You remember one video when I put this our brother now from Cameroon, they say Dubai, when he talk say the co-worker no let am drink water keep cup because say they pay am more than him, and when they started together they pay them the same amount. Being na say na graduate for Cameroon, go school well, so as he come start to dey work with this company, he come decide to go study more. She can't go for other courses. So as he finish that one for some time, then the company can't increase his salary because they can't take and go office because of the extra school when he goes. So he can just receive more salary than this co-worker. So from there, the video there, I don't watch the video, me I not talk too much. So when the co-worker tried to poison him, try to hurt him because of say out of jealousy and all that. So this our brother now, he say because through the voice recording, and anyway me I just play his voice recording. He say me I tell una thank you for wetin una do for am. Anyway me I play am una here.
Brothers and sisters, una go afternoon or good evening.
I don't know that it clear.
Whatever time we una dey listen to me now, I send una greetings. I just want thank una and everybody wey be say dey pray for me the time wey be say I be dey face some small challenges for accommodation mostly. All of una already know. So I just want to testify the thing wey God do for me. So God don't finally remove me from my old flat to another flat. So I did very say 4 times to una prayers and una encouragement. So I want just take this opportunity to thank all of una wey una dey pray for me, and or everybody wey give advice for me, because now those advice where I go remove small from here, small from here, small from here, join put together before, and by una prayers I really got to do what he do for my life. So I just want to thank una, say I did very fine, okay, and I'm in a new flat now. So thank God and thank all of una we wanna be to pray for me. Hello, good afternoon.
Anyway, the voice record, the black say show, too loud like that, But anyway, what is this our brother they try to talk here? He say because of that my voice recording can't join them together, so he can't go back again to the company, go tell them say see what he need because of how una take encourage am. So as he go back, they can't consider am, they can't give am your personal apartment that is very very okay. He say make I tell una thank you, una wey put comment for a video, una wey send voice recording, God go bless una. As e be say una help this our brother, he not lose his work, everything don dey perfect okay now. God go bless una, God go grant una heart desire in the mighty name of Jesus. Wetin I dey try to talk here be say this platform, una advice, una dey really dey help person. Una no know na me that they send the voice recording. I just decide okay, make I play this one because they really dey grateful. That's why I create a WhatsApp group now. This WhatsApp group when I create now, I take some people when I know say that they send voice records come, so that anytime they send voice record, the person go just receive direct for inside the voice record, because sometimes the voice recording if they too much, say I know they even fit post all of them. I will come they find the name, find this one they post so now you decide okay, may I just create group where I will just put people, anybody send voice record, they go the group. I don't need to they post to they find this one, then they post to this, everybody go just see the voice record for there. So if you want belong to this voice record group, you are welcome at any time to belong. But this voice record group now mature people and people wey be say they dey very very reasonable, married men and women, even some never still marry, but they very very responsible now. They did this group. So if you know say you dey responsible, you wan join this group, because that group too, they know the cause. Now advice na that they give, that they use am sit dey help person when we talk a video at that particular time. They go decide on it and talk, and the person go take the look whether he go still take the decision or not. Not be force, you understand? If you no wan still join the group, no problem, no be force. But that group just dey there just to assist other people, because now wetin God say make we come do for this life na be that, by assisting other people. You no need to pay any money to join the group. You no need to pay any money for the group. Your own na just to take your phone. If you send me your name, say add me, I go add you to the group. Then if I add you, then your own na to just see yourself for the group. Instead of you to dey press dey send to me, you just press and send to the group if you want make everybody listen. But if you want send private message to me, as in your own story, private one, you are very free to send me personal private message. My number dey down below. So I just dey talk how the group dey function. I just open the group now, and some beautiful people they already did the group. I'm so happy. I thank all of una wey did the group. I thank you for the comment section too. So me I no waste time. Wetin carry us come today na about one of our brother wey be say this our brother e from 30-something story. When you say 30-something story, e from 30-something story 4. He say wetin happen, which kind problem he get. This is 30-something, just young man. I get the video for here if you want the video, because YouTube will never allow the video, but I just put small picture for there. YouTube will never allow that video because that video is so terrible. It's so terrible, they can never accept it. But if you want the video, just my number dey down below. Just send me WhatsApp message, say you want see the video. I will just send the video to you, make you see am. This guy, he tried to kill himself, but he not die. But he body scatter, but he not die. This one can be from fry pan to fire, because you dey run comot for one situation. Say this situation you no fit bear am again. I no know wetin be this guy situation now wey make am be say he go jump from that kind place. I no know wetin be situation now, but he dey run from that situation. And right now he come still get that situation. He get another situation join am. I don't know that una understand me. Okay, he get one particular thing wey make am say he wan take his life. He wan jump from 30-something building. Okay, he finally jump now. He no die. He just dey alive. But if you see body, if you just need the video, I'll just send the video to you guys. Make una see am. Wetin I dey try to talk here now, say this one a very big lesson to everybody. No matter the situation wey you dey face, no ever give up to even say you wan try such thing. No ever give up to try anything at all to take your life. Don't ever give up, because you don't know tomorrow. Who get today fit not get tomorrow. Me when me dey talk here, where they bring person story come, one day I go tell una my story. Nobody wey no get story. You fit dey think say the condition wey you dey now, nobody don ever dey that condition. Mind you, immediately you dey come outside, you dey see people wey be say your own na moi case for where their own dey. When go be say you say because of that one you wan take your life. For instance, if na pikin na be the issue, say you dey find pikin you never see, wetin you go do? You go patient. I think I see video wey I bring on 67 years old woman. No be born pikin that day. He born pikin, abi he not born pikin. So my sister, my brother, why you want say because say you never born, or your mate don't born, you want take your life? Abi na marriage, everybody don't marry, you never marry, you want for what? You get any place where be say people when marry, don't say na only married people now we want for these streets. Now go pass these streets, now go enter this flights, now go enter this car. E not there anywhere. The most important thing is your happiness. E not there anywhere. Say now only married people go dey pass here. They know they laugh person put. There are some people wey be say marriage wey they dey, who no even marry, e better pass them. So you no fit kill yourself say because say you never marry. I been a document because I just dey talk all this thing because I no imagine. They send the video to me. They say na Igbo brother, he jump, wetin happen? But I no really know wetin make am jump. I been a document, but na Indonesia this thing for happen. I been a document. If you no get document today, mean say you no go get document again, or you carry document from Africa come. Then they chop the document. I know say fine, document good, you fit use am travel, you fit use am work, but if you no come reach your hand, you no fit kill yourself. There are some people that don dey one country for 20-something years, they no get document. Person wey come yesterday, e go dey get document under their nose, they no go kill themselves. You want na to also you hustle and go back to your country and live peacefully. If na the documents they come take do you say make you not get document for the Europe when you come, so no kill yourself put. Because they know they chop document, not be food. I know say it's good to take travel. If you feel gather yourself, you go back home and set up small business and begin to live your life for there. Because not be everybody get that opportunity to get documents. So we just come, they don't get. Now because of that one, say you don't get documents. People when you even carry come, don't get. Because of that one, you want to kill yourself. Many people they will be say they even get the document, they even get the passport, they don't use and do anything. Travel safe, they don't use and travel. If they look the anya for them, they just get them for decoration for there. They don't use them for anything. So you will be say you don't get, and God bless you for other things. Why you want to kill yourself? You will try yourself to get. You see say you not work out for you. You rest. If not that one they say come say that you will get money, you not go get documents. You rest. Wetin go make this our brother, maybe you wey dey watch me now, wetin you think say e go make this our brother want take this kind decision? I no understand the way some people I been na money, maybe e no get money, e don find money, e no see money. If you no get money, money go come. Even though say you no get house, say na under bridge now you dey live there, one day your sun go shine. You understand? So they shine every day. The day of your sunshine, if it come, sun no dey shine say because say sun shine, e go shine for people wey e get money. You wey no get money, the sun no go reach your side. E no be like that. You understand? If na that one, money go come. Maybe the time when your money go take come, na in the evening. Okay, right now, you don't scatter your body finish. You no come die. The money can come. Which enjoyment you can get for that money now? If not because of money make am jump. You understand? I've been a health issue. There are some people they get health issue. Maybe doctor don't tell they say this and this, that and that. See what they want carry all their life. Because of that, you say you want kill yourself. Not be people they get some health issue where we say doctor give them 1 week to live. How you see that one? There are some health issue where we say doctor will tell you say now only 1 week you want live. Now 6 months so, now 3 months so. Those people what they want to do? They'll come kill themselves before that 6 months. What it be the health issue? When it be the problem now? When it be say because of health issue, you say you want jump, say doctor don't give you result of one kind bad thing or whatever. Now because of that you want kill yourself. Sometimes cure they come for something. You fit get one situation now of health issue. Maybe after 1 month, solution will just come for that health issue. Okay, the person wey dey inside grave, now you go come wake up again, come say you want cure yourself. So why you want kill yourself? I just they use this video. They are try to talk to our people for we to understand. Say all hope is not lost. You not get today, not mean say you not go get tomorrow. You get one problem today, not mean say that problem not go solve. You understand? No even try all those kind of things. Say you want go take your life because of your bad condition, your bad situation, because you don't know what tomorrow get for you. You feel you're the suffer today, you don't get house, you dey jump from one place to another, you dey sleep under the bridge. Tomorrow God go just say helper come. When be say the helper go just help you. You will be say you not get before. People when you dey feel say they be Alpha and Omega, they will come under you, they feed under you. I don't see story like that. No matter what, don't ever give up. Don't ever try to take your life. Whether you want drink something, you want jump, you want enter jump for a trailer, you want do this one, don't ever try it. Don't give up in life. Don't give up on God. Just be praying. Be praying. That situation, you will come over it. The Bible says God don't give us temptation that we cannot carry. But the way you can't handle your temptation, now matter. Your temptation come, handle it with prayer, handle it with care. Solution must surely come. There is no problem without solution. Because when I watch the way it lands, everything scatter for ground. But he was alive. He gets up, they look in hand, they look in leg. He not die. My people, I beg, may I just stop this video for here. As I talked before, if you want the video, I will send that to you for WhatsApp, because YouTube will never allow this video. Though it's terrible, but I will still send it to you on WhatsApp. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. And if you have not subscribed, make you not forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so you will watch many videos. Many videos they roll then when they then get post they come. Thank you. Bye.